Hey everyone, welcome to the Week in Review, your one-stop shop for everything that happened in the NEO ecosystem over the past week. As always, if you appreciate these videos, please don't hesitate to hit that thumbs up button, to leave a comment below, to follow our YouTube feed, or to share this video with friends and family. Let's kick this week off. In ecosystem news, NEO launched an investigation into a series of NEO token movements that broadly impacted consensus node composition and coincided with a drastic decrease in the market value of the NEO token. Typically, NEO Global Development nor NEO Foundation look into these market movements associated with NEO. However, they released the report to address speculation that it was the Foundation or NEO Global Development that was associated with these NEO token movements. The activity began on March 24th and involved the transfer of approximately 9.25 million NEO, representing around 13.2% of the total circulating supply, which was done through intermediary wallets tied to a Binance deposit wallet. In a statement to the community, the NEO team emphasized that neither the NEO Foundation nor NEO Global Development, including the project founders or other team members associated with either entity, were responsible for initiating or influencing the recent transactions. In response to the recent movement of the massive amount of NEO tokens, the NEO Foundation has launched NEO Bond. NEO Bond is a new month-long initiative designed to provide high-yield returns and provide price protection for NEO token holders. The NEO Bond offers a 50% APY, translating to a 30-day interest rate of roughly 3.44%. In addition to yield incentives, the program incorporates a price protection mechanism. The NEO Foundation will guarantee a minimum price of 5 NEO for all participating assets. The deposit window opened on April 5th, or if a cap of 5 million NEO has been deposited into NEO Bond. After the user deposits their NEO, a 30-day lockup period will begin, during which the deposited assets will not be accessible to users. Following their 30-day lockup period, the multi-sig wallet will automatically send back the NEO that was deposited into the address, as well as the NEO bonus. Enclave Wallet also integrated a dashboard into its non-custodial wallet website, which shows users the total amount of NEO deposited and includes a calculator that displays various scenarios of how much NEO a user might expect to receive based on the amount deposited and the market price of the asset after 30 days. Flamingo Finance concluded the FLUND to Flocks migration period, marking the beginning of the epoch cycles. Approximately 39 million FLM were burnt during the first migration period. The initial migration period yielded Flocks users roughly $37,000 in dividends that will be distributed according to the wallet weight of Flocks held. Beginning in Epoch 1 and moving forward, users can now burn their FLM tokens to mint Flocks. Flamingo Finance reported that Binance has placed a monitoring tag on the FLM token that is currently on the custodial exchange, signaling an evaluation of its continued listing on Binance. Monitoring tags are assigned to cryptocurrency projects that are relatively mature, but are at risk of no longer meeting Binance's listing criteria and may be delisted following review. This is not saying that FLM has been delisted, rather that Binance is going to investigate the token. NEO News Today hosted episode 56 of Crypto Coffee and Blockchain Beer on the official Smart Economy Podcast X page, where we were joined by Flamingo Finance's lead developer, Odd, and NEO's new marketing and PR management team, Lunar Strategy. Topics of discussion included the NEO whale dumping 13.5% of circulating supply and its impact on NEO's consensus mechanism, NEO's bond program, the Lunar Strategy marketing team joining NEO, onboarding new devs and users into Web3, using on-chain data to craft narratives, and the next step for Lunar Strategy's roadmap. Head over to the Smart Economy Podcast X page to hear a recording of the space. In upcoming events, NEO News Today is hosting Crypto Coffee and Blockchain Beer number 57 on the official Smart Economy Podcast X page. And in token listings, we saw a slew of activity this past week. NEO is now listed on the QuickX non-custodial token swapping platform. NEO was listed on the XBO.com custodial exchange. The APE FUSD and FDE FUSD trading pairs were listed on the Flamingo Finance non-custodial exchange. And the NRP BNEO token pair was listed on For the Win Network's non-custodial exchange. Well, that just about wraps up everything that happened in the NEO ecosystem over the past week. If you appreciated this video, please don't hesitate to hit that thumbs up button, to leave a comment below, to follow our YouTube page, or to share this video with friends and family. And if you're a NEO token holder, please consider voting for NEO News Today as your council representative. We've proudly been serving the NEO ecosystem since 2017, and will continue to do so by putting portions of our council rewards directly back into ecosystem growth initiatives. We are already looking forward to catching you next week.